Today we are diving into Essential Scrum by Kenneth S. Rubin.
Okay.
It's going to be a crash course in building awesome products the Agile way.
Sounds good. I love it.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Scrum.
Yeah.
Sounds kind of sporty.
Right.
Is this just for like software developers?
Not at all.
Okay, good.
Scrum, it's a framework, right, for tackling any kind of complex project
Okay,
where flexibility and delivering value are key.
got it.
So think about this. Like, remember those giant year-long project plans?
Oh, yeah.
That went totally off the rails after like a month. You know what I'm saying?
Ugh, yeah. Don't remind me.
Okay, well, Scrum is designed to help you navigate that chaos, essentially. So it's like jazz.
Sure.
There's a structure, but there's also room for improvisation,
Okay,
to respond to changes and keep things swinging.
I like where this is going. Less rigid planning, more jazzy adaptation. But, okay, let's break down this framework thing.
Sure.
I'm already feeling a little overwhelmed by all the Scrum jargon.